The time has come to make things right. You and I must fight for rights. You and I must fight to survive. No one's gonna take me alive. The time has come to make things right. You and I must fight for rights. You and I must fight to
Hi, it's me, Justine. Thank you for listening, and if you would like to learn this song and sing it in harmony with me, I've got a special tutorial for you. Just click the link here or in the description. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell to get the notification every time I will upload the video. I am preparing for you a highly requested song by Billie Eilish, and see you next Friday in the new harmony game. Thank you once again. Bye.